to put this brace on, hope y'all can see that. Here's a lever right here, and you know that lets you slide it back and forth. But what you actually have to do first is get it inside this groove channel that's inside of here. So the first thing you're actually gonna need to do is you're gonna need to, you know, pull this lever. You see that front part bends down. Stick a finger in there, because you're gonna have to come and pull this other side, you know, down as well. You're gonna need to do that to get it inside the channel that it needs to sit in, because you can see normally if I just pull this lever, something's still blocking it right there. So pull both ends of that. Boom. Then you can slide it in there. Y'all can see. And it prevents you from, you know, sliding it too far and sliding it back off the end. So, all right.